Welcome to our 10-minute morning workout. We got a cardio workout today, my favorite. Let's get started right now. We're just gonna get warmed up. Step jack. Warm up the body for a minute or so. 6 or 7 amazing cardio exercises. And we are going to be stronger, fitter, more flexible, have greater mobility. I'm not sure if we can accomplish all that just in one day, but what I do know is our mood's gonna be elevated, and so is our energy. 10 minutes can do so much. And hopefully, it encourages you. Let's pick up the pace a bit to remain active for the rest of your day. Movement's a gift. Let's give ourselves that gift several times throughout the day. Oh yeah. Just food's a gift too. Just think about it. We get an opportunity. We have so many options and choices. We choose foods today that really nourish you. Think of it as a gift. What am I going to give to my body? I want to nourish my body or deplete it. Good way of thinking about it. Okay, shake, shake, shake. Just gonna sidestep with a little squat. Go as low as you like. I'm just doing a little mini squat. Just gonna want to keep moving laterally to build some heat so we can have a brilliant workout and just a brilliant way to start our day. Little light movement to begin the day. Makes for a good day. Have a little more patience. Better outlook on the day. Start taking care of ourselves. Stop judging others as much. Stop judging ourselves. Whew. That's freedom. Okay, let's get just further your stance and just a little side to side, a little lunge to the side, just to get the legs nice and warm just for a few moments here. Building flexibility, range of motion as we improve on our cardiovascular endurance. Just find a depth that's nice for you. Find that edge and go a little beyond. Oh yeah. Okay, let's get moving here. So this skater motion with a punch or reach to the side. Move as quickly as you like, but exaggerate that upper body as well. You're getting a nice stretch in the back, as well as building strength in the arms. Yeah. Honor these bodies that we have. How lucky are we to be able to move, to be healthy, to be young. Age is relative. A kid asked me the other day if there was snow in my beard. I guess I've gone a little grayer than I thought. I thought it was pretty hilarious. But I feel incredibly young. Mindset matters. If you think you're 10 years younger than you are, That's how you'll act and that's how you feel. Ooh, yeah. Oh, it should feel so good. Okay. Shake that out. Shake out the snow. Same sort of movement, just a heel kick. But let's change. Let's get the motion going here. There we go. Really reach back with your arms, opening up the chest. This is great for your upper body, as well as obviously cardio, leg strength, balance. Oh yeah, remember to smile. Bring real presence. It's amazing when we really pay attention to each moment. Just what wonder and awe we can find. Oh. Don't forget, comment, job done, at the end of the workout. Others like to see it, it inspires them to get moving. It definitely inspires me and gives you that small victory. Write it down. Yes, there's one win for the day, and keep stacking them up throughout the day. Compound your wins, small victories throughout the day to make for a truly remarkable day. Oh yeah, really reach it. Oh yeah, let's shake that out. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Okay. If the squat down doesn't reach for you, the step jack's always available. Modify everything, as always. But I'm gonna come together and just it's just sort of a tiny modified squat jack. And I'm gonna go with some pace. This is a trickier one. As I said, modify if you need to, but you're strong enough. You can go a little deeper. Two more. Okay, let's keep going. Just a little lateral. Just tiny steps. Just to shake out what we were just doing there. But to keep moving. Get your arms. Tiny steps. Find a nice flow. Yeah. Breathe all your attention right here, right now. Okay. Let's just stretch it a bit. Down. So a walking lunge. If you don't have any space, you can just alternating lunges. I just like to go for a bit of a walk when I can, add an extra dynamic element when possible. As low as you can go, whatever works best for you. And down. Let's finish it off. One last exercise. Hopefully this will leave you in a good mood. Skip march. Go at your pace. Go be childlike today. You can't be unhappy when you're skipping. Just think of a child out there. And that's just for the last couple moments here. Oh yeah. Almost there. And that's it. Well done today. Our 10-minute morning movement is completed. Well done to you. Thank you for showing up. I'll see you again tomorrow. Yes.